guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry, I know I don't upload that much on my YouTube, but I swear I will. I don't swear, like I will try to film more videos for my YouTube. Today's video is going to be really interesting because today I am going to show you a makeup look which is very natural, like a tinted makeup look. I'll apply all tinted cream based product on my face, like tinted foundation, cheek tint, lip tints, cream highlighter, something like that, because these are the products I use all the time. So that's why I am going to show you today. I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna start with my eyebrow because you guys complain all the time that you don't do your eyebrows in front of us. Why? We need to watch that. So here it is. I'm using my eyebrow pencil from Lakme. This is their micro brow pencil. This is one of my favorite eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to brush my hair upward, and with the pencil I am just slightly going to draw fake hair. And this pencil is so soft, it gives you that natural eyebrow kind of a finish. You can definitely build it up. Doing something like this, as you guys can see, like it is somewhat like drawing fake hair so that your eyebrow looks a little bit bushy and fuller. Now, if you have fuller eyebrows, I think you do not need to do this. Just fill in your gaps, use a mascara like a brow mascara, and you're good to go. What my eyebrow looks now. Last step, I'm gonna use this spoolie and brush my hair upwards so that everything blends in together. And that's it. I have two tinted foundation with me. One is Fenty Beauty Skin Tint and another one is Physicians Formula Healthy Glow Foundation. This is named as foundation, but this is exactly like the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. It is like a tinted foundation. It is so lightweight, so hydrating, looks so good on the skin. So if you don't have the Fenty Beauty one, you can definitely go for the Physicians Formula one. You can get this one from Nykaa as well. In the shade 10, as you guys can see, this is so good. I don't know why, something so special about this particular product. I always use this so much, especially if you ask me what I use for my everyday. This is the product that I use for my everyday. I have some other products from Fenty Beauty as well, their highlighter, their lip gloss, and their bronzers, but this is the product that I use the most. I'm gonna take a brush and apply this all over my face. With this kind of tint, I will recommend you not to use a sponge because it will soak up a lot of product and it will not give you enough coverage. You will end up using a lot. So a brush will work best with this kind of foundation. And the brush that I'm using is from Focula. Like, see how natural this looks. It's just so beautiful. If you want, you can use a concealer. I am going to use little amount of this Mars concealer because I have some dark circles. Now, where I'm actually applying the concealer is right over here where I have the darkness. I am not going to use it all over my eyelid because that's unnecessary. And for this kind of natural tinted makeup look, I think less is more. And for me personally, always less is more with makeup. I always say this. In your skin as well, also your makeup is looking healthy, you are not covering up too much. This is the kind of makeup look I prefer, I love. And here I used my fingertips, which is my ring finger, and I just blended in my concealer. Now I'm going to use a little bit of powder, not too much because I want to keep this glow. I am going to set my concealer in this loose powder from Inside Cosmetics. I recently purchased it and this is the first time I'm actually using this powder. I'm just going to use it wherever I have concealed. So I have so many tints with me, and these are my personal favorite. These are the 4 tints that I always use. Number 1 is from Body Shop. This one is the Lip and Cheek Stain 001. I love this so much. It is that perfect natural looking tint. Then I have this one from Colourpop. This is also so good, more towards coralish kind of a tint. It's not a tint, it's a serum blush, and this is known as So Cosmo. It is also so good. My absolute favorite, Glossier Cloud Paint. I love this so much. This is my absolute favorite, I can say. And Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. Now these 3 are not tints. They are cream or serum blush, you can say. And the tint is over here. What a tint looks like. And these are like cream blush, but you can use them as your tint as well. For today, I'm going to use the Body Shop one. Now where I am going to place the tint, not taking the tint over here, because I have a very round cheek. So I don't want to enhance this area. See my eyeball over here. I am going to take my tint from here. So 1, 2 and 3. And you can see my motion is going upward. It is not going downward. So you have to keep that in mind. And you can of course make it downward. If you have a very lifted face and you want to make your face a little bit more fuller, you can take it downward. And this is what it looks like. I am so in love. Sometimes if you feel like it is too much tint for your face, you can take your beauty sponge or maybe your brush, your foundation brush maybe, and just dab it. That's it. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna use this color right over here. This is from Daughter Earth. This is called Cosmic Nude. This is such a beautiful color, one of my favorite. Just look at the color, it is so beautiful. And I'm gonna use it all over my eyes. I know what you are thinking about. I am using a cream product as my eyeshadow, and what will happen during summers or monsoons, it will not stay in place. But I have a quick trick how you can make your cream or liquid eyeshadow stay in place. Need is some translucent powder. Make sure the powder is translucent, just like this. Should be a translucent powder, or else your eyeshadow color is going to change. So make sure the powder is translucent. Eyeshadow brush, take some powder and just dab it. Can you just see? It's like matte now. Now I will use a little bit of brown pencil. This one is from Kiro, and I am just using it as my eyeliner. Pencil brush and just smudge out my lower lash line. Now I will curl my eyelash with my eyelash curler. This is from Bronson Professional. This one is from Color Bar, and I am going to use it on my eyelash. This is what my eye makeup looks. I'm just so happy how this turned out, so beautiful. Now I'm gonna take my stick highlighter from Mars Cosmetics, and I am going to use it. My lips, I'm gonna use my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Spark. I'm just gonna take a little bit and dab it on my lips. Lastly, I'm gonna use my setting spray. This one is from Pixi, and this is a Rose Glow Mist. is the finished look. I just love how minimal, how super fresh and glowing this makeup look turned out. And if you want to wear this look for your nighttime, you can change the lip color. I'm gonna use this lipstick for my nighttime and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So you can just make the color a little bit more dark and you're good to go. This makeup look is just everything. It's so trending as well. Anyone can do it. It's so simple at the same time. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.